So today, or tonight, whichever time you try, I'm going to try this Jamaican style Irish moss, sea moss flavored drink. Served chilled, vanilla flavored. Grace Kitchen approved. Sea moss. Okay, so sea moss is seaweed extract and vanilla. There's like a shit ton of like total chemical flavors I'm not totally into, but I saw this and I'm like, I'm gonna fucking try it. Oh my god, how do I even open it? Oh my god, I didn't even look, but like, look at the top. How do you open that? Oh my god. Do you open this like a regular? Oh shit. Okay, so I got a cup. I'm scared. Let me see. I'll try to open it like a normal. Oh my god. It opened. Oh my god, okay. So I popped it and now I'm gonna. Oh my god. Ew, it doesn't look like a good color. Ew, what is that? Oh my god. This is supposed to have like seaweed flavor and vanilla. This is gross and scary. And oh my god, there's spots. There's spots. Can it pick up the spots? The little black spots? What the fuck is the black spots? It tastes the way the ocean smells. Oh my god. Like legit, it tastes the way the ocean smells. That seaweedy. That's all I can say. It's very seaweedy. And it very much tastes the way the ocean smells. I'm not drinking this. No, thank you. And God bless you if you are someone who definitely enjoys this. But I only bought it to taste it because I was intrigued by the Irish moss, sea moss flavored drink. I mean, if it's good enough to package, like, obviously there's enough people who like it. No. No, I can't even. No. I can't do it. That's so gross. It's just too. It's too seaweedy. And I like seaweed, but not to that extent. Like, where it's like, here's a full glass of seaweed. Are you gonna, like, fucking gulp it down? But it's Jamaican style, so I don't know. Someone likes it, but as a drink, I cannot get behind it. So it's gonna be no. But thanks for bearing through it.